In this guide, you'll learn how to create Capcut account. Let's get started. You can create Capcut account using the web version, or also you can use the app. For this guide, I'm going to use web version. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to this website, capcut.com/signup. Once you're over here, you're going to find different option to create Capcut account. You can use Google, TikTok, Facebook, or Capcut mobile device. Select the option of your choice. I'm going to select Google account. Now go ahead and type in your email address, then click on continue. Now generate password for your account. Once you are done, click on sign up. Now select your date of birth, then click on next. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. So go ahead and check your mail and type in that code over here. Now fill this, type in the space name. Likewise, you can copy a link and invite members to your Capcut account. Then click on open Capcut, and just for that you have created your Capcut account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.